distractions. Ooh. So guys, as I was saying, distractions. I've struggled with distractions honestly for the past, I don't know, when you're working for somebody else and you're having that, that time, you're like, oh, I am so tired. I have had a 9 to 5. I have had a 9 to 5. Uh, and the whole day you've been working, so you just want to come home and chill, right? Well, apparently that's not how you build your future, man. That's because employment is gonna work for you until it doesn't, and your boss is just gonna need you until he doesn't, and then he's gonna move on. But you've been giving your whole time 9 to 5, working for somebody, and then when you get home, that's the time you're supposed to like build yourself. And to be honest, I've been thinking, I have time. I can do this tomorrow, you know. But for 1 year now, I've been building myself. I work 9 to 5, and then in the evening, I come and work on my shit. And it has been going good. It has been going good. I did beat procrastination. I've been putting out work. I have a series coming out. I have paintings in an exhibition in town, Alliance. And this is the second one. The first one was, I wasn't that prepared, but this one I was ready. I was prepared for it. And if I look back, I'm like, if I didn't push myself to come from work and start working on my stuff, if I didn't do that, I wouldn't be doing this right now. Because what would I be talking about? And it's crazy how life has taken turns. I put in effort, I get paid back by the universe. Like all my efforts are being paid back. And but of late, to be honest, I've been struggling. I have struggled with, I am bored. I came from work. I am really tired. I don't have, like, sometimes I really don't have the energy to do what I want to do. So I find myself smoking or doing drugs, some recreation stuff, and sleeping. That has been it. Or sometimes I come from work and then I'm on Netflix. Like I am on Netflix. I am watching, and I'm watching other people make money. And that pisses me off. Oh, that pisses me off. I enjoy the movies. I really love them. But it pisses me off. Because I'm like, what the fuck? I also want to make money. I also want to create and have people enjoy my content. But this is not something that you get paid in a day. This is slow. YouTube is not a 1 day thing. I am still not monetized, and I started my YouTube channel like four years ago. I haven't been that active either. Anyway, but now I am on a new journey. I am on setting a new journey. I'm traveling. I hope I'm gonna travel, make content traveling, and just enjoy life. Because I have been, for 2 years, I don't want to say stuck, but I have grounded myself to build something and work for somebody else because I needed a structure, I needed a plan, and I have it now. But my biggest enemy right now is me, because what have I been doing? Watching TikTok, being on TikTok, watching Instagram, enjoying Instagram. None of these things is wrong. Honestly, none of this thing is wrong. But The minute you are addicted to it, it's now a distraction. And I have been asking myself, what is a distraction? Because if you know what a distraction is, at least then you can, uh, you can find a way to minimize the damage. And guys, honestly, I'm struggling with this. I'm struggling with being off my phone, being off YouTube, being off Instagram, TikTok, Netflix. Those are those are my big fives, right? Those are my big fives because yeah, that's my biggest battle right now. But all in all, I'm in a forest. I'm taking a walk, and this camera is heavy. Sometimes you really have to push. You really have to push yourself. And right now I'm pushing myself so hard, so much. Cause what is this? Where am I? See? Trees. Everywhere, just trees. Nobody inside, just me and the camera. And okay, what I think I wanna say, I'm gonna put this down because I'm tired. Let me put it down here. Oh yeah. I'll set it up there. It's up to you for a while. Okay. So what was I saying?